looks clear. Hey, it looks different out here. Yeah. We must have been hiding a while. Whoa, maybe we can go around over there. Yeah, that doesn't seem so steep. Okay, we can jump in there first, and then the next one. And then a huge jump to the last one. Should be fine. Here goes! Okay, one more. Ready? Go! Okay, yep, fine. Oh, isn't that where the fairy lives? Let's see if she's home. Maybe not. Let's go. These shadows are creepy. Hey, this could be a shortcut. Really? In there? Yeah, let's go check. Achoo! Achoo! Ah! I don't remember it being this dusty. Hey, isn't this the staircase? Yeah, yay! It's still here. Do you think it still works? Let's find out. We made it! Yay! Home sweet home! After you!